Hello and welcome everyone to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna share fruit chaat with you without cream, without yogurt, in few simple steps. So do watch the video till the end and make sure to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for more simple recipes. So let's start the recipe. I've taken all the fruits which contain apple, banana, pear, frozen mango, frozen raspberries, chopped them already and now adding them to a bowl. You can add or skip any fruit according to your choice, and I've taken these flax seeds powder. They're very healthy, very rich in fiber, and they have many more health benefits. And I've just added this to the fruits and add some almonds, which is completely optional. If you want to skip, do skip it. And I'm now giving it a very good mix to mix the flax seeds completely. And I've shared a video of flax seeds benefits. So if you want to know more about flax seeds benefits and the rest of seeds, so visit my channel. There's a lot of videos that will help you. And this is our simple without cream, without yogurt chaat is ready, which is very healthy for your afternoon, evening snacks. So this was a simple recipe. I hope you like it, and I've shared multiple of videos like fruit chaat, chana chaat and many more. So do visit my channel and watch these videos, like them, comment them and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.